My channel name is Bangladeshi Fisher. This is my channel URL. I create my YouTube channel 21 August 2021. My monetization is gone due to reuse content. I don't use anyone's video even for a second. I give my own voice to each of my video. This is my tripod and microphone, and it's I use my video project. Now I am playing my YouTube channel video Bangladeshi Fisher, my YouTube channel name Bangladeshi Fisher. This is my channel and this is my video. This is my face video. প্রিয় দর্শক, আমি এখন সাফিনা পার্কে অবস্থান করছি আর কি। তো সাফিনা পার্কের বর্তমান অবস্থা, and this is my another video. This is my another video. ওরে বাপ রে বাপ, ওরে বাপ রে বাপ। বাহ, মাছ তো অনেক সুন্দর পাইছি যে। এলে কিসের মাছ? This is This is my voice. চলো বাক্কা, তোমার হয়নি? তোমার কই? I made my video Kite Master APK. This is my stock video. I use Pixel Lab apps for video thumbnail edit. Hello YouTube team, this is where I made my maximum video shoot. This is fishing channel. Please review my channel. I don't use any on video. I currently have monetization turned off due to reuse content. Please check well and return my monetization.